Hyundai Sungwoo Solite continuously invests and develops its manufacturing process to enhance quality and competitiveness of its batteries. The production process is largely divided into the parts manufacturing line, parts assembly line, and final assembly line. Running the parts manufacturing line, which manufactures lead plates by making pure lead into a powdered form, mixing the powder, coating, cutting, and drying the plates. The parts assembly line carries out stacking of the manufactured positive and negative plates, COS joining and burning, cell insertion, cover sealing, and terminal welding, and the final assembly line, which includes the initial electrolyte injection, optimal charging, secondary electrolyte injection, level check, lead leakage test, and high-rate discharge test, as well as through a stringent quality testing process. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite manufactures the world's best batteries. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite's technological innovation is an ongoing process. R&D Center, which is expanding into the eco-friendly technology and new and renewable energy fields, is developing new materials, products, production technologies, and quality tests by best research staff and testing equipment in the industry. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite's dedication and effort to developing prior technologies and generating future values have led the company to achieve 24 battery technology patents, and these technologies are allowing us to live a safer automotive life. Also, the Solite Indigo Racing Team, established in 1997, is spreading the technologies and competitiveness of Hyundai Sungwoo Solite into the world. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite is making its way to the top of the global battery industry by embracing new ideas and challenges every day. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite's plant, located in Gyeongju, Korea, is mass-producing automotive and industrial batteries through a world-class production line. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite supplies products to over 100 domestic and international clients. Its devotion to investing in new technologies and products has put Hyundai Sungwoo Solite in a dominant position globally. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite offers the best batteries in the world because Hyundai Sungwoo Solite continuously evolves and stays ahead of customer demands. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite's outstanding batteries, which has strong starting power and the durability to withstand lengthy drives in any condition, meet all the quality standards out there and are becoming the standard in the global battery industry. From automotive batteries, which provide high starting power even in extremely cold environments, to premium batteries that feature high starting power, advanced fuel efficiency technology, and enhanced durability. Sealed, maintenance-free, industrial batteries for cutting-edge equipment. Marine batteries safe from saltwater corrosion, and even general-use batteries that are significantly contributing to the cutting-edge horticultural sector. Hyundai Sungwoo Solite is expanding its brand power into the agricultural machinery, shipping, and industrial equipment industries, and is giving power to various industries around the world. Since its establishment, Hyundai Sungwoo Group has always been dedicated to delivering customer satisfaction and customer value. The company that grows together with its customers, the company that opens up the future with its customers. Hyundai Sungwoo Group expands more quickly and more vastly into a bigger world. Expanding our star, Hyundai Sungwoo Group.